Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a call debit spread on Robinhood. This option strategy is for when you are moderately bullish on a stock. It involves buying a call option and simultaneously selling another call option with a higher strike price, both with the same expiration date. This creates a defined risk and reward profile, making it a popular choice for many traders. To construct a call debit spread, you first buy a call option at a specific strike price, say $50. Then, you simultaneously sell another call option at a higher strike price, perhaps $55, using the same expiration date. The premium you pay for the bought call will be more than the premium you receive for the sold call, resulting in a net debit to your account. On Robinhood, begin by searching for the stock you wish to trade. Tap on Trade and then Trade Options. Select your desired expiration date. Robinhood will then present strategy options. Choose Call Debit Spread. You will then pick your lower and higher strike prices. Review the total debit, potential profit, and maximum loss before swiping up to submit your order. Understanding the risk and reward is crucial. Your maximum loss is precisely the debit you pay to enter the spread. The maximum profit is the difference between the two strike prices minus that initial debit. For example, a $5 spread with a $2 debit yields a $3 maximum profit. The break-even point is the lower strike price plus the debit paid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.